So if you want to get strong legs for those beautiful dancing moves and have a bit of a workout, then this video is for you. Hi, Shimmy Shaker, welcome to Belly Dancer Diaries and to today's workout, which is all about our legs. We're going to start off bringing our legs a little wider than feet width apart and coming down and up, just warming up, getting some energy into those muscles. So as you come down into your squats, just keep your knees out. If you have any injuries, if this doesn't feel good, stop straight away. Always get your doctor's okay before you exercise. That's it. We're sinking those hips back. So sinking hips back, trying to keep your chest up and coming all the way forward as we come back in. Okay, and then staying down, we're just swinging side to side, getting some energy into those legs. And then coming up, opening up through your hips. One side then the other way. Okay, now we've got a little bit of energy into our legs. We're going to start off working through here. So we come over onto one side, bringing our weight onto that leg, keeping your knee out into a single leg squat. Down and up, down and up. So as you come down, you want to really bend that knee and keep that knee turned out. So your knee's not coming here, it's coming turned out. Keep your chest up. We're feeling this one through here. You might feel it a little bit through your glutes as well. Okay, we're bringing in the other leg, a little bend, keeping that bend, and as we come up, we're lifting this leg up. So doing this movement works our balance, of course, but also working through those hips. You'll also feel it extra through here to keep you stable. You don't have to lift this leg high. You can see I'm only lifting it a little bit. You'll still feel it. Doing really well, keep breathing. And 8 more, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, hold it down. And hold it up. And release. Okay, little shake out. Let's go to the other side. So starting, foot slightly turned out, knee out, just those little bends into that single leg squat. If you're finding this hard to balance, just hold on to something. So you can hold onto a wall, hold onto a bench, a chair. This is a really good one, especially if you get those beautiful things like rond de jambes. Try and point your toe as well. Okay, next time we're lifting that leg up as we come up. So keeping that squat in your leg. Doing really well, nice and strong. Ooh, can you feel it working? Just embrace that burn, know it's getting you stronger. Good job, good job. And 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, hold it down. And hold it up. And release. Nice work. A little shake out. Good job. Okay, next move we're doing is similar, but we're working all through the hamstring through the back of the leg. So for this one, still keeping that knee out, bring that other leg back. Starting off nice and tall, keeping the core strong, little bends, down and up, down and up. So all these kind of movements, really good for things like your sweep, in our belly dancing, our rond de jambes, our up in 8s. Okay, next time when we come up, we're doing little lifts, working through here, working through our glutes here too. So really try and squeeze through these muscles. Nice job, doing well. Stay with it. Oh, I lost my balance there. So focus on the point in front of you if it helps. And just 8 more. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Hold it down. Hold it up. Good for your ankle strength as well. And shake out. Okay, other side. So again, keeping that knee turned out. Legs straight back. Starting off. Little bends. Keep your core strong. Really feeling it working through here. and then we add the lift. Remember, it doesn't have to be high. Cool. I have to look straight ahead for this one. Can't look at you guys. So little lifts through, feeling it through here and here, as well as here and here. Nearly there. Keep your toes pointed, keep your posture tall, squeezing through your glutes. And 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, hold it down. And hold it up. And release, nice work. Okay, now we're gonna get into our inner thighs. So coming down to the floor. If you have a mat, great, or a towel, that's good. Otherwise, don't really need it. We are sitting up, lying down on our mat, just making ourselves nice and comfortable, bringing the top leg over the top, and we're working the bottom leg, just little pulses up. So you want to feel this one working through your inner thighs. It's a good one because we don't often work these muscles, but they're really, really important, our abductors through our legs. Keep breathing, nice and relaxed here. Okay, this time we bring it forward and back. So keeping the leg up the whole time, bringing it forward and back, and then coming into circles. So nice little circles up and down, and forward and back, getting that shape. Other way. Oh, can you feel it? I know I certainly can. And back to our pulses. And 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, hold it up. And release, nice work, we're nearly there. Coming on to the other side.
It's the first time.
So remember, you can just relax your upper body on the floor, on your mat. Keep your hips in line, bring that upper leg over, and we're pulsing up with that bottom leg. So always one leg will feel better than the other. Always the way one side feels better. So keep those little pulses, feeling it through here.
It's feeling safe.
Through those adductors.
Despite turmoil and changes and rockets and threats.
And coming forward and back.
And
trying not to knock the flowers over.
Fear. It's
still keeping it up as you bring it forward and back.
We will stay to make our way through layers of experience.
Okay, and little circles around.
Of pleasure and shame.
I know I'm in the habit of trying to use my foot in the circle, but you don't want to use the foot, you want to use the leg. Feeling it all the way through here.
There is grace and faith.
And other way.
There is grace in the giving of thanks.
And back to center, little pulses up. Nearly done.
Give you delicacies.
And 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And hold it.
Warmth permeates.
And release. Awesome work. Let's just have a little stretch. So bringing your knees out nice and wide. Leaning forward, feeling the stretch through the inner thighs. And then bringing one leg over the other. Coming forward, feeling this one through the outer thighs. And other sides. And there you have it. Well done, Shimmy Shaker. That is our nice, quick and easy leg workout, but it's going to be great for all those elongated moves. Thanks for joining me. I also want to really thank the people who are supporting on Patreon. We're doing a full choreography on Patreon at the moment. If you haven't seen it, please check it out in this video. Thanks so much for watching and happy dancing.